Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Everyday Eats. If you're tired of food sticking, oil splashing everywhere, or pans that wear out too quickly, this video is for you. Today, I am taking a close look at the Sensart 12-inch non-stick frying pan with lid, a deep, versatile pan designed for healthier, everyday cooking. Let's see whether this pan really delivers on performance, safety, and convenience. I've added the Amazon link in the description below. This is a 12-inch large deep frying pan with a generous 5-quart capacity. It's designed to work as a frying pan, salt pan, and shallow pot, all in one. The deep sides help prevent spills, making it ideal for stir-fries, curries, pasta, and one-pan meals. One of the biggest highlights is the non-stick coating. This pan is PFOA and PFOS-free, meaning it's designed for healthier, non-toxic cooking. You can cook with less oil, and food releases easily without sticking or burning. Cleanup is simple, usually just a quick wipe or rinse is enough. The pan features a flat thick base that distributes heat evenly across the surface. This helps avoid hot spots and ensures consistent cooking. It's compatible with induction cooktops, gas stoves, and electric stoves, which makes it very versatile for different kitchens. If you're interested, check the link in the description. The helper handle is a really practical addition, especially when the pan is full. It makes lifting and moving the pan much safer and more comfortable. The included lid helps lock in moisture and flavor, which is great for simmering dishes or finishing meals without drying them out. What can you cook in it because of its size and depth? This pan works well for stir-fried vegetables, chicken or beef dishes, pasta, curries, eggs, pancakes, and even shallow frying. It's a solid choice if you want fewer pans and more cooking flexibility. Pros and things to consider. Pros include the spacious size, non-toxic coating, easy cleaning, and induction compatibility. One thing to keep in mind is that due to its size, it may feel a bit heavy when fully loaded, but the helper handle really helps with that. All thrown, the Sensart 12-inch non-stick frying pan is a strong option for everyday home cooking, especially if you want healthier meals with less oil. If you'd like to check the latest price or read more reviews, you'll find the Amazon link in the description below. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect non-stick pan for your kitchen adventures. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and reviews. Let me know in the comments what your favorite non-stick pan is. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!